I-open nyo lang yung inyong GCash apps. Enter the MPIN. So, are you looking for a tutorial kung paano mag-load using your GCash to Vodafone? So, after ninyong ma-enter yung inyong PIN, mapupunta kayo sa inyong dashboard. Napakadali lang ito gawin guys, and this is actual tutorial. Select lang kung saang country. Okay, so Spain ang location nung nag-request ng load. So positive 34, yan po yung country code. And then kung anong telco, Vodafone. Kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, please like, share, and subscribe. So ito na po, ina-enter ko na yung same number. Okay. Ang request niya pala ay 10 euro. So ayan, click nyo lang yung yes, proceed. And then, ayan yung mga choices kung magkano. Then buy now. Okay, so ganito lang guys kadali mag-load using GCash. So okay na yung kanyang load, automatic na siyang converted from euro to peso. Thank you for watching.